Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm back for another video. For today, we will be learning about solving quadratic equations by completing the square. In this example, x squared plus 4x minus 6 equals 0. The first thing that we will do is to isolate the negative 6 here, or we will transfer negative 6 to the right side since the coefficient of our x squared is 1. Hence, it becomes x squared plus 4x equals positive 6. Next is we will get the coefficient of the middle term or the second term and then divide it by 2. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. And square it. 2 times 2, that is 4. So you have to add 4 on both sides of the equation. Hence, x squared plus 4x plus 4. And then you are going to add 4. Next is, we will simplify 6 plus 4. X squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 10. Next is, we will factor out this one, x squared, this equation. So it becomes, so the factors for x squared, that is x and x. And the factors for positive 4, since our equation are all positive signs, so we don't have any problem for this. So this is simple. We will just look for the factors of 4. That is 2 and 2. And then positive and positive. Next is you will write the square of x plus 2 equals 10. Since they are identical, we will just express this in exponential form since they are identical. Next is to remove this exponent, we will enclose this one with a radical sign. We will enclose both of the sides with a radical sign. We will cancel the radical sign and the exponent, therefore the remaining will be x plus 2. And then square root of 10, since this is not a perfect square, it remains positive negative 10. After that, we will separate, since there are two solutions, we will separate this one. So it becomes x plus 2 equals positive square root of 10, and then x plus 2 equals negative square root of 10. To get the value of x, we will transfer positive 2 on the right side. Hence, x equals negative 2 plus square root of 10. For the second solution, x equals negative 2 negative square root of 10. So these one are the two solutions for the equation x squared plus 4x minus 6 equals 0. Okay, what about this example, x squared plus 18x equals 0? So how are you gonna solve that? So since it is already isolated, then we are moving to the next step, which is finding the second term, which is 18, and divide it by 2, that is 9, and square it, that will be 9 squared, that is 81. Therefore, we are going to add 81 on both sides of the equation. Hence, it will become x squared plus 18x plus 81 equals 81. Are you following? Okay, let's move on. Next, we will factor this one. So it becomes, so the factors for this one, x and x, for the factors of positive. Again, since they are all positive, then this is very easy. So we are going to find for the factors of 81, which is factors of 81 that added, it can obtain 18. So in this case, we have 9 and 9. 9 times 9, 81. 9 plus 9, 18x. Gets? So we are going to write it in exponential form. Next is we are going to enclose this with a radical sign, since to remove the exponent, we are going to enclose this into a radical sign so that we can remove the exponent of 2. So cancel, remaining would be x plus 9 equals the square root of 81, that is positive negative 9. Next is we are going to get the two factors. I mean the values of x. In this case, x plus 9 equals positive 9. And for the second value is x plus 9 equals negative 9. So we are just going to separate the positive and negative, just like what I am doing now. To get the value of x, we will transfer positive 9 to the right side. So x equals, copy this one 9, and then from positive 9 it becomes negative 9. Hence x is equal to 0. So this is the first value of our x. Next is x plus 9. So to get the value of x, we will transfer positive 9 to the right side of the equation. So x is equal to, copy negative 9, and then from positive 9 it becomes negative 9. Hence, x is equal to negative 9 and negative 9, negative 18. So this is the second value of our x. Gets? And for your assignment, kindly answer x squared minus 8x equals 9 using completing the square, using the steps, following the steps that I have given to you. And please kindly let me know in the comments for your answer. That's it.